Hello everyone! Today we will share with you our progress thus far. Our attention was focused mainly in two things. Firstly, how to make the platform accessible to everyone and reduce the friction caused by blockchain technology as much as possible. And secondly, how to upgrade the Genera serious game in order to make it more enjoyable and wholesome. From the feedback derived from our beta testers and the Genera group, we learned that requiring an external crypto wallet was more trouble than useful. As engineers, our goal is to shape blockchain technology to meet our clients' needs. To simplify the access to our Web3 applications, we introduced a feature called Local Wallet. This wallet is set up directly on the user's device, enhancing the experience in several ways. It removes the need for downloading other software, like MetaMask. It requires no configurations. On mobile devices, there is no longer a need for a specific blockchain-compatible browser to access our web apps. They now work on all browsers. Finally, the user experience is much smoother, cutting down the steps to just 5, which take under 30 seconds to finish. Let me demonstrate this for you. This is the game's homepage. Everything is the same except from this toggle switch button, which says Use Local Wallet. When pressed, our application switches gears. Now we do not need an external crypto wallet anymore. Let's explore how it works. As you can see, it's telling us that no local wallet was found, and it suggests to create one by clicking this button. Let's click it. We can see that instantly a crypto wallet was created. Now local wallet is found. It tells us that a player must be created. Enter a player name below and press create player. As simple as that. Let's do Genera version 2 testing 001 for example, and let's click create player. Now our web server is sending us some ETH so that we have the ability to create transactions. As you can see now we have 0.5 ETH and our account has been created as it used to be, and now a player also exists. So the only thing left to do is just to start playing. And that's it. It was as simple as that. And now if I refresh the page, which should bring me back to the home one, and I once again click the use local wallet, now instantly my local wallet is found, the player does exist, and this is our ETH balance. And just to show you that we can indeed create transaction, if I go and craft a card, which basically creates an NFT on the blockchain, and then I go back. As you can see, my Ethereum has decreased a little bit, so transactions are working, therefore all the benefits of the blockchain are still here. We believe that this feature will allow our users to enjoy and explore the platform without the usual complexity of blockchain technology, and at the same time we're keeping all the benefits that blockchain provides. Moving on to the Genera serious game. One of the ways we thought to upgrade the Genera game was to introduce new graphics that will captivate the players and increase engagement. We used Midjourney, an advanced AI image generation tool. With it, we produced over 130 images without worrying about copyright issues. We then refined these images with Adobe Photoshop to ensure they are polished and ready to use on a web application. Let's take a quick look at the games. Now let's unveil the new graphics. To start off, we can see that now we are forced to change the orientation of our device, so let's do just that. As you can see, is the new map. I believe that the differences can speak for themselves. Everything is isometric, more real, the quality is incredible, and as you can see from the models, it's also very more playful than before. Of course, a few adjustments as you can see are required, but we are still at the early development, and I have created here some buttons to show you some of the functionality. Now this is our town hall, which by leveling it up, we simulate the expansion of our town. So here we are at level 1, and as you can see, some placeholders, some spots that have a locket floating on top of them, we cannot use them, but there are some free ones. Here we can create a building, so let's create an amusement park. Here we can create another one. Let's create a hospital. But that's as far as we go. We cannot do anything else because we need to upgrade our town hall or expand our town. So I'm gonna level up. We went to level 2. I'm closing, and now we have another available space, and this one, which is a renewable energy generator placeholder, was unlocked. Okay, let's insert the super wind turbine, and here yet another building. Go for the tool store, and pretty much that's as far as we have gone. The game assets quality is very high, as they also look sharp on a 4K monitor like the one used for this recording. A very important change is that we've optimized the game for mobile use to ensure a great user experience on smartphones just as on larger screens. Coming back the game content, we've introduced new elements. We've expanded the card collection from 3 to 11 and added a new default building, the factory, to emphasize the action of transitioning to renewable energy solutions. In the beginning, the players will have to use the factory to power their buildings at the cost of polluting the environment, which in turn reduces the citizens' happiness and therefore the town's growth and the players' ranking. More new features are in the pipeline. However, as they are still in early stages of design, we shall postpone their presentation for a later date. Thank you for your time and attention.